So I'm not one for jumping onto fads, but I figured it might be fun to do a review or an unboxing of the Instant Pot. And I just picked this up today on an early Black Friday sale, and I thought it would be fun to test this out making one of my favorite foods, congee, which is a Chinese rice porridge. And basically all it is rice with water, cooked for a while until it turns into a soup. And it's really savory, I really like it, but it takes a while to make. But the Instant Pot, supposedly, it's a pressure cooker, should be able to speed that up. Now, this is nothing new, it's a pressure cooker. What makes it new is that it's programmable or it's electronically controlled. So this isn't like your 1970s pressure cooker. Apparently this is really good, people rave about it. This was designed by someone in Canada, I believe. It started getting really popular now. I think it's been popular for quite some time, mostly by word of mouth, and I think they got successful selling it on Amazon. But now they've made it into the mainstream, Walmart's, Canadian Tires, the big box stores, at a price point that's, you know, cheap enough that I went out and figured, what the hell, let's give this a try. So let's unbox it, cook some porridge, see how it works. So there's different types of Instant Pots, and the one I got was the 7-in-1. It's the 6-quart model, but there are smaller ones like a 3-quart, and then there's a larger one like the 8-quart. Apparently you can use this as a slow cooker, or you can use it as a pressure cooker and cook really quickly. So theoretically, this should save you space as well to replace a few different appliances. Cord. Measuring cup, ladle thing, rice spoon, I'm assuming something for collecting the condensation, a tray to keep meats and stuff off the bottom, I'm assuming, so they don't get soggy, the stainless steel bowl, or the stainless steel cooking vessel, and then the Instant Pot itself. Exciting. And then of course, the pressure lid, and it's got this silicone gasket all the way around, stainless steel on the top. All right, let's cook. I also like throwing a little bit of wild rice in with it. What I have here is 1 cup white long grain rice, and then a little bit of wild rice. I'm going to add 8 parts water to it. Salt. And I have a frozen chicken breast here that I'm going to put in too. On goes the lid. Ooh, it's musical. Venting to seal. Okay, so I turned it on. Now I've loaded it with my ingredients. So I'm going to, for this, it's going to be more like, I'm going to say it's more like soup, I guess. So it says 30 minutes. Sure. Why don't we just try that first? See what happens. Oh wow, it turns it on right away. I didn't even do anything. The Instant Pot I got was the Instant Pot Duo. So I got 12 minutes left, but I didn't realize it takes 15 minutes to preheat the pot. So the soup cycle says it takes half an hour and then add 15, so in total be 45 minutes of cooking. Not a big deal, but just good to know. There, it's done. 45 minutes in total with the preheat. So I'm going to release the steam. Okay, well that made a bit of a mess. Alright, it's been half an hour and the vent is good now, so we can open it up. Well, it doesn't look like any porridge or congee that I've ever made. The rice still isn't really fully, I guess, broken down. It's certainly cooked, but it's not like the nice low and slow congee. The chicken's certainly done. Let's see if it breaks apart. Of course, it's a chicken breast, so of course it's going to break apart. So that breaks apart pretty easy. Alright, it's time to give this a taste test. So now that I've stirred it around, it actually looks really good. It looks like proper congee, or in Cantonese, juk. Yeah, I'm actually very impressed. I was going into this very skeptical that this would be able to make it that quickly, because normally to make this it takes several hours. But yeah, definitely sped things up. So let's give this a taste. I already can tell it'll probably taste good because of the texture. Yeah, it's good. It's smooth, savory. The chicken really imparted some nice savory flavor, some umami flavor to the porridge. Yeah, I'm really surprised. I'm actually slightly impressed with this Instant Pot. So, I don't know. Overall, I think I'm pleasantly surprised at how well it works. So, hey, for the price, it's definitely worth trying in my opinion. So I'll try cooking some tougher cuts of meat in it and see what happens over the next few weeks. But for now, I'm impressed. I'll give it a thumbs up. Alright, so thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. I'll post more videos on all kinds of stuff on my channel. You never know what you're going to find on this channel, from product reviews to this, to building surfboards, to travel videos. Alright, bye for now.